everybody, so today's video I have a package again from Amazon and it's a shoes, but I don't know what's inside, so let's gonna unbox this one. Hello again everybody, so this is the package. So last time the message in the Lazada messenger well, they sent me a message that it's cancelled. So after 2 weeks, I think 3 weeks now, so I have it finally, but I did not expect it's here. So oh my gosh, so I have to see what's inside, and well, I'm excited in a way. So okay, let's gonna open this one together. So I'm just here outside because it's brown out in the house. So this is the shoes and we're gonna fit this one. So oh my god, what is this? Oh, this is from the, that's quick, this is from the other subscribers. I forgot, this is not from, okay. I expected it was from the cancelled shoes, but this is from the other subscribers. So I have it. Joke. Well, you know what? I can only wear this one for my driving. This is too sexy. So I have the shoes. And I really expect, so my bird is singing. I really expect it's from my other friend. So I would like to say thank you so much for these shoes. I appreciate this one. And of course, more to come for this subscriber. From my followers who sent me shoes. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I thought it's from my other friend and he's planning to pay for this one. But I said, but this follower is already sent me cash to purchase this shoes. So it's 1,400 for these shoes. It's sell in Lazada, but this is not a sponsored video, so we're gonna make pictures for this one. And then of course we're gonna fit this one. My bird is also talking when I talk, so I just have to do this one. Hey, shut up. My size is 36, so if you want to donate some shoes, wait, this is my shoes. Stilettos. Pizza, I have to adjust. So the price of these shoes is 2,000, but then they sell it to 1,400. So this is the looks now, and we're gonna try the other one. It's very comfy, and I will say for walking, this is just a short vlog, so this is it. Oh my gosh, this is so sexy. So I have to walk for this one. I will try. So I still need to adjust the shoes. I have the shoes that is arrived today. So I would like to say thank you so much to my one of my followers who are sending those beautiful shoes. And if you want to watch a longer video, just click the join button next to subscribe button in my channel and click level 3. So what you can expect there is you can see a lot of driving videos, more driving videos with different kinds of shoes, high heels, revving engine, barefoot driving, boots driving, and well, anyway, and there's more driving videos to come. Well, I see you there, and thank you all for the love and support. Love you all. Bye. You can also message me to my Facebook page, First Vlog. And if you want to donate some shoes, well, you're welcome to donate some shoes or cash to my PayPal account that is there in my description in my video. So, for you guys that are supporting my channel, thank you so much. And those who send me some shoes, so to send some shoes, my size is size 36. So, just message me and then see you there.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.